Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Our mission in the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos and we teach you how to fix your car for free. Let's go ahead and start on it now.
Channel guys, if you have ABS light or you have problems with your ABS pump or ABS valve body guys, the whole module, stay with us guys and we'll show you which two fuses to check guys. We have more than 200 videos on Chevy Cruze. Our goal guys is to save you as much money as we can by providing all these free videos to you guys. All we need in return, please give a like, subscribe and drop a comment with your recommendation guys, either good or bad, so we know how we can improve the channel. Now all the tools and parts guys, including the replacement fuses guys, will be listed in the description of the video below for your convenience. So first we need to go ahead and open here the hood. We've been working on this car quite a bit lately. Your ABS pump module, actually it's back there guys. You can see this is your ABS module under that tank. So it's a little bit hard to see, but it's right there. We have a video how to replace it if you need to. This is the fuse cover that we need to remove guys. You have three clips, so we need to squish in and pull up. Perfect. Now guys, the fuses that we need to check. The first fuse guys will be fuse number 30. And fuse number 30 guys, it's for the ABS valve body, for the control valve, the module. It's this one right here. It's a little bit hard to see. Let me see if we can, yep, like that. This fuse right here guys, it's the number 30 fuse. So we'll get the fuse puller from here. There is one clip that we need to spread back and pull up. And then we get on top of the fuse, grab it, pull it out. Now let me show you guys this fuse. You can definitely tell that this fuse is burnt. But sometimes it's really hard to tell if it's fuse is burned because they don't always burn visibly. It could be a small burn that it's hard to detect. So what I'll be using here now guys, we'll be using a voltmeter. You can check this thing out, listed in the description of the video below guys for your convenience. And I'll set it to continuity testing. And if that fuse is good guys, we should get zeros on the screen. Nothing. So I will get a good fuse now, replacement fuse from here, a 15 amp fuse. And let me show you now this fuse guys. If we test it, it will give us zeros guys. Perfect. So this is definitely a good fuse. Now I'll go ahead, plug it in. Now where is the fuse guys for your ABS pump? Your ABS pump is actually fuse number 26. It's this big 40 amp fuse. So usually this one you grab it with your fingers, shake it a little bit. It comes out. We'll have those listed in the description of the video below as well. This one you test it the same way guys. We're going to test ours. On the bottom you have two places where I'm trying to get the wire out of the way that you touch it, and if it's good it's going to show zeros. So that's definitely a good fuse right there. So those are the fuses guys for the ABS pump. Thank you guys for watching. Please,
hopefully guys the video was helpful and we were able to save you money. We guys have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels. Check them out. We have videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.